Hey, Northwest Hiker here, and Rocky. He's already snoozing. Alright, this is my quick camping spot for the night. I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's Cinder Cone ORV area. I just pulled off on there's kind of a big parking pull-off area along the road here. A couple 3 miles in. It's a big, huge off-road vehicle park. So there's camping all over, and you can see. I'll double check and make sure I didn't leave anything on the ground back there. That's a big, huge ORV area. Miles and miles of roads in here, so there's tons of camping. Forest Service land, so you can camp anywhere in here. It's kind of weird ground. It's all like volcanic, like, it's not ash, it's just like pumice, volcanic pumice on the ground. It's kind of cool. Walk around and it's kind of like sand, real heavy sand. If you can see it in the video, it's black. I'll take a little bit of video heading out here. Be a good spot to be riding 4x4s and off-road vehicles. There's a hill right there. Somebody's parked there in a 4x4. Well, there's tons of places where you could ride all over in here. I'll have to look it up online, and it's all volcanic. I didn't think there was any volcanic areas down here, but maybe so, or must be. All volcanic pumice covering the ground here. It's thick. I walked out through it and took a walk around it. Nice road in here. Looks like they just recently graded it. About 10 miles north of Flagstaff off Highway 89. I think it's about 10 miles. Yeah, about 10 miles. Boy, that'd be a good spot to fly my quad out there. Wide open. Still see some snow up in the mountains there. Had some thunderstorms and rain last night. There's a little pop-up tent deal on top of somebody's truck there. A little tiny teardrop trailer there. I think this is the big main camping area right in here. Scooter there. Yeah, there's fire rings all through here. This looks like the main camping area. This is Cinder Hills ORV.